hooked in. So we're gonna get the lines in soon. Got out quickly this week for a pre-fish and hooked up a good one. Lost the footage, but I actually lost them at the bank. But we're gonna give it our best. It's a little bit windy today, so I'm gonna make my way around and try to get some fish for this tournament.
All right.
130. Well,
time to hit a restroom first.
I guess I'm just gonna fish right here.
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Well, you can always just fish from the shore for a little bit.
I know.
You know? There's already people everywhere though, like, you know, regular weekend fishermen. Well, good luck, bro. I'll see you after. All right. First cast in the tournament. A little late start. The drift bait. Yeah. All right, that's a little lipless in the BFS. Got the fishing player's little mini day rig here. Well, this is not the bait for the wind, but I'm throwing the Ike anyway. That's what I got bit on last time. Just gonna got a little fish from underspin in the new color, little prototype color. Let's see, hopefully, I don't snag it. No one wants to fish the wavy zone. Right, guys. 12. I don't know, it's gonna be close. What up, dude? I don't know though, dude. Is it short?
That was 12. Yeah, bro! 13!
Finally, bro. That's the first one for me. Thanks, man. There you go. All right, guys. Ooh, first one, 13-incher. All right. What's up, brother? All right, fish number one. It wasn't easy. It took a few hours, but finally got one on that new fish from underspin. So 13-incher, little dude, so we're gonna keep at it. Try to get a limit here. This windy, cold day. Sorry. Any luck today, bro?
Nothing.
So, that was my first one too. tough, dude.
Yeah, normally my bike's late to come in here early.
Early, super early, yeah. Well, guys, just the one fish, 13 inches. We caught a few good ones. My buddy Mike caught a nice one, 19-incher. We're gonna see who wins the big fish and who wins the tournament here in a second. They're gonna announce the top 3. So, all right, get back to you in a second and see who wins.
You have like the black and red? Yeah.
Rope.
That's a chunker, 19 and change.
Heck yeah. 4 something.
4.5 pounder.
Mike's Fishing Adventure!
Yeah, dude.